Hey, my name is Vic, and I help people make big money through affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing changed my life completely, my friend. It allowed me to go from nothing, not having $1.19 to my name, to generating over $11,500 per day on average. That's over $300,000 a month, simply by selling other people's products. And now we teach how it's done the right way. Now, most affiliate marketers out there are not making any money. You probably know that if you tried. The big question is, how do you do it right? Well, we do it differently. We have our own private network that we go to where we get offers that people already want to buy now. Okay, they're not, we're not going to Clickbank or JVZU or anything like that. We have our own private network. These offers and products are amazing. We collaborate with world-class companies. Second thing, what we do is we sell through systems. You will never, ever, ever, ever have to chase anybody. You will never have to rely on your affiliate link or convince anybody or try to talk to anybody at all. We sell through systems, and the system is working for you like an employee 24/7, 365. When you're vacationing, when you're sleeping, you should be making money. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Thing number 3, traffic. If you don't have traffic, you have no business. We are really, really good at generating massive amounts of traffic for pennies on the dollar. Would you like me to show you how it's done A to Z, the complete process? Well, you say, Vic, why would you do that? Because we're on a mission right now through my company to create an army of super affiliates where we collaborate with other big brands that are in great need of our help, and everybody's making money. We've got students right now that have never made any money. We just launched a campaign just a few days ago, and some of these guys here are making, like, for example, Sid, right, over $3,000. This guy never been successful with affiliate marketing before. Aaron Chen, $1,000 just over the last few days here are running this campaign. Lee, $886. A lot of these guys have never made a penny on the internet. My friend, if you ever wanted to make money through affiliate marketing, let me show you how it's done. Register for my upcoming class. I'm gonna walk you through this whole process. You will not regret spending time with me because your life will probably change after it.